In this video, we'll take up the homework sheet for rational exponents. So for all the questions, I'm hoping that you try your best not to use a calculator, but that requires you to know your powers. The first question, there's really not much to it. I mean, some of the exponents are negative, but really you just have to look at the denominator and tell yourself you have to take it to the nth root, and the numerator tells you what power to raise it to. And that's how you evaluate each of those expressions. For question 2, let's see. Not much to say, same idea. Denominator that tells you the root, the numerator tells you the power. These questions are relatively straightforward because I don't see many radicals, except for p. 2p is interesting. 2p, if I see it in radical form, I change it into exponential form. Because like I said in the lesson, it's hard for me to apply the exponent laws if I don't see the exponents. Now, even like you don't have to do this step for yourself, but I think I don't want any careless mistakes. So show yourself the exponents and then apply the exponent laws. Okay. Let's see. For question 3, oh, let me just finish. Wow, 2 was long. Yeah, 2 was not short. Yeah, but nothing special. I would argue like these are very similar to what you did in grade 9 and 10. Like T is a grade 10 question. Like 2T, there's nothing interesting about that because there's no rational exponents. So if there are no rational exponents, it's a grade 9 or grade 10 question. Okay, so for question 3, some more evaluating. Really not much to say there. Yep, you're just evaluating. It's very similar to number 1, but now you have more calculations per question. All right, number 4. Oh, there's 3H. Number 4, you're just applying your exponent laws. So remember your grade 9 and 10 exponent laws, and now you're just working with rational exponents. But the laws themselves haven't changed. You can still apply the power law. You can still apply the product law and the quotient law. Okay. Yeah, F is interesting. It simplifies a 1. But aside from that, this sheet is pretty straightforward.